Forget boring, sterile electric commuter appliances. MG just stole the spotlight at the Goodwood Festival of Speed with a gorgeous nod to its British heritage. This is the MG Go concept, designed out of MG's Advanced Design Centre in London. This punchy 5-door supermini explicitly previews a production-spec B-segment electric hatchback coming next year, widely expected to be badged as the MG2. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are diving into its brilliant modern retro styling cues, its agile rear-wheel drive platform DNA, and how it plans to completely take the fight to the Renault 5 and Geely EX2. Led by design director Carl Gotham, the London team masterfully avoided empty nostalgia. Instead of lazily copying the past, the MG Go captures the planted, agile stance of classic performance icons like the MGB GT and the aggressive Metro Turbo. It sports incredibly short body overhangs, wheels pushed right out to the absolute corners, a clean, full-width front lighting strip, and a neat, contrasting rear roof spoiler. It delivers an inherently sporty, characterful aesthetic without relying on massive, fake front grills. While the final production specs remain strictly under wraps, inside, sources confirm the production model will break away from the front-wheel drive norm of budget EVs. It will ride on a shortened configuration of MG's highly praised Modular Scalable Platform, MSP, meaning this little pocket rocket will inherit a pure rear-wheel drive layout. It is expected to utilize either the 41.9 kWh or 52.8 kWh lithium battery packs pulled straight from the bigger MG4 Urban, yielding a highly usable city-friendly driving range between 300 to 450 kilometers. The production variant of the MG Go isn't designed to be a completely stripped-out bare-bones budget commuter. Instead, MG wants to deliver a genuinely fun, fashionable, and emotional daily driver. Armed with an expected starting price targeted right around the $20,000 mark, approxa. P400 GTN, it is set to bring pure mechanical character back to the mainstream. Would you take this stylish RWD British-designed supermini over a Renault 5 E-Tech or a Geely EX2? Let us know in the comments, hit subscribe to DRX Automobi, and we will see you in the next review.